fairness.
I'm going to check on us and make sure that we are live. I don't see us live yet. Oh yeah, we are.
There we go.
What's that noise, dude? It sounds like loud. I don't see us live yet. You don't hear like background noise in the stream? Are you checking it out? It sounds like there's some background noise.
Thought it was me, but it wasn't.
I think it's me, right?
Yeah. Well,
You hear it, right? It's like shh.
yeah, it's like air vent.
Is it? Maybe I turn this fan off. That maybe gets better. Just shut the fan off. Oh wait, I think I know why. I think I just fixed it. Hello? Hello, hello, hello. That might have fixed it.
Slightly better.
It's a little delayed, so.
Yeah.
I feel like I should be able to have my fan on, bro, and not have issues with it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I feel like I should be able to have my fan on, bro, and not have issues with it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's way better, dude. There's no noise anymore.
Yeah, I don't know how to feel about this. This
Just-
market today.
This market's tricky. I knew it kind of off the open. I kept saying it. This is not what it was the last few days. And sometimes when you recognize that, it's gonna save you from getting absolutely destroyed. That's why I'm happy it's just on those evals, because I would have been very pissed.
Yeah, I mean that's where I'm at right now.
Oh, I know, bro. Trust me, I've been there. We're just not getting fall through today. I mean, you have to understand also, like, look at this session that we just came from. Right? So, like, everyone and their mother is trying to short that. And it makes sense. I mean, look at that parabolic move to the upside for no absolute goddamn reason. So, yeah. It's just going to slow grind back and forth. Now we're in a range again. We're inside this kind of range here.
I'm still trying to figure out what the fuck happened. It's 4:15 today.
Honestly, gold is probably what we should be trading.
Probably. Yeah. Probably where I'm gonna swap to after this.
I'm looking at it right now, see what we can find here. Gold's also a little A little undecisive here. Two 4-hour highs above. We broke above this 4-hour high here. Sold off. We're bullishly pushed into it. This Asia high took out these highs, but not 4-hour highs. I don't know. Love for us to rebalance into this 15-minute here. That would be great.
I don't know why I don't know why I did what I did today, this evening. I know better.
It's a learning. Everything is, as long as we can figure out that everything is a learning. You know, I'll do stupid shit with evals because I'm a degenerate when it comes to evals, but I've been burned too many times on the fundeds. Sadly. Too many fucking times.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna try to just get break even on this trade I'm in. Might cut it even. We don't bounce off of this. I'm at the 721. I'm just gonna cut this trade and call it a trade for these 9 accounts, and I'll trade the top steps instead.
Yeah, what I would do is like just de-risk, you know what I mean? Get that back tomorrow, going into the next session, and then when there's actual movement, you know.
It's just so slow this evening too. It's not even like it's normal slow. It's just super slow.
Yeah, this is beyond slow. It's a slow one, brother. It's a slow one.
Oh, yeah. 26.
You got that smoker's cough, bro.
I do.
Smoking too much.
6, 91. Do not like these bearish gaps. I have this like camera cover. I want to see what this does. So when I go like this, right, on the camera, I can. Oh shit! It's got like a built-in one.
Yeah, it's a privacy.
That's perfect.
Yeah, dude, it's private.
Just hide myself.
Right? When you take bad trades, you just want to cry. You
Just want to
hide
cry
yourself.
in a hole.
Yo, we have the same chair. Where's your chair from?
Amazon.
Oh, no, 2 different chairs.
I mean, I'm pretty sure you can get it off of anywhere though.
Mine's pretty specific. You're not going to want to believe how much I paid for it.
How much?
$1,800.
1,800.
Yeah.
Jesus, dude. Yeah, I think I paid 200.
Yeah, I know. That's why I said it's not the same. But I have really bad back, so I had to buy the best chair you could buy, which is this Ermin Miller.
I really want to cut this straight already, but like in the same token, I'm praying.
Just praying for a win, baby.
Projecting off this 1 minute gap 3 times, 4 times, 5, like a bazillion times.
Yeah.
Oh, it's going up. Go, my little one. Go. Oh, wait, this 15 minute, it looks really good for me, actually. Hold on.
Hold on.
We have 4 minutes left on it. I mean, we don't really have upper wick. So I either get saved or I get screwed. One of the two. Should be an interesting experience, needless to say.
Well, I'm just watching to see if anything here on golds pops out to me. I don't really love what I'm seeing on NQ. It's just grinding higher. Probably going to that buy side liquidity at 762, but like I just fail to think it's going to happen tonight, right? Like you know what I just thought? You know what I just realized? This daily sitting in here. That's definitely our target. I don't know about tonight, but that's our target in general.
What? Which one?
This bearish daily up here, inversion.
The bottom of it, 805.
Yeah, like 805 all the way up to 887. It makes sense, right? We come up, take out this buy side up here, both of these highs, tap into this daily, and then most likely get a push right back into the range.
Yeah, for 792.
Depending how we close. Like if we close tomorrow, if this daily candle tomorrow closes bullish up in here, right? Like inside the daily, then we're gonna have a daily breaker here. So then I would see a push back into this breaker and then all-time highs. So we'll wait and see what happens here.
Well, this bearish 1 minute is we're kind of just ranging between these two gaps. It's crazy.
You mean ES is strong as fuck too, which is crazy.
ES is looking strong, you said?
Yeah, all NQ and ES are both just looking super strong. I think the higher time frames are just super bullish. Anything on the lower time frames it just chops us up. To be fully honest, right now at least that's how I'm seeing it.
Yeah, ES looking decent. I don't know. This 15 minute kind of needs to flick. It just needs to shoot up real quick in the next minute and a half. It's got the potential for it, so.
Yeah, this 4 hour low here with no freaking. We have a tiny lower wick, but that's not enough. We're gonna come back and take that at some point. 582.
Okay.
So we do have something that is appealing here to you is we do have this 4 hour bearish gap here, but we inversed it. So we inversed the 4 hour. At 10 p.m. we'll have inversed that 4 hour, which is extremely bad for anyone that's bearish.
Well, I'm extremely hoping it pushes all the way up to 470 to 792. So
you might get that, bro.
Well, one con will put me back into where I need to be. So
this 4 hour inversion here is got inversed, and then we've now closed above it. A closure at 10 p.m. puts us above that 4 hour, making this now an inversion gap, and potentially looking for, if we do pull back, we would probably hold those 700s. So I think this is just going to head up, to be honest.
Well,
especially since we held that 15-minute gap here, and now we have another 15-minute gap I believe. Do we? Let's see.
No.
Yeah, we are. We have one right here.
Are you talking about 716?
Yep. It's another 15-minute gap. But this is ugly, man. When I drop down to the 1 minute, it is just ugly. 3 minute is a lot nicer. And honestly, the 5 minute is probably what you want to be trading today, because the 5 minute just has a little bit more of a clear view here. We also have a 5 minute gap here as well. So 15 minute and 5 minute. We have S&T right now with ES on the 15 minute.
To the upside?
Mm-hmm.
Very good. Let's just hope.
Yeah, and this is what you want to see here, especially on the continuation model that we're trading, or that I'm trading here. You want to see these lows get swept. They did. You want to see a pop to the high, to the upper end of the range here. We did just tap in -2, -2.5 though. That is that reversal range, so that's the only thing I don't love about where we are on the shorter time frame.
It is not looking pretty for me.
It sucks to be streaming, dude, in a night where it's just doing this.
Yeah.
I guess we can't choose what the market gives us, that's for sure. Dude, your lights are sick, though.
You like that? You want to see something even cooler? Watch this. Watch what I can do. Ready? I can get up. I can grab a marker.
And you can write.
Draw.
Dude, you can teach a whole class.
How trading fucks us.
You could teach a whole trading class.
Ladies and gentlemen, on tonight's episode, millions of people get fucked by the market.
I mean, you're not lying, dude. You're not lying. You're not lying.
I want to hang it up on the wall, but
Is it not hanging on the wall?
no, it's not hanging on the wall. It's standing vertically. This thing's horizontal. Look. This thing is like, it's massive, right?
Dude, where'd you get that? Where'd you get that from?
Amazon.
You Amazon everything, huh? You Amazon your food, bro?
Absolutely not.
Oh, man. I think I'm going to Amazon some lights, dude. Looking at your setup. I need some lights in the background.
Yeah, these lights are awesome.
Yeah, they're sick. Also, your haircut looks good.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Making
At least something's
me-
going good today.
Making me want to go get a fade.
At least something's going good today because this fucking trading is just clapping our cheeks.
All right, what time was that? I got to clip that. This
6:49.
trading is just clapping our cheeks.
Fucking just
So how many sessions do you think you have to do on YouTube before our channel blows up?
before our channel blows up, that clip right there will make you go viral.
Dude, let's get it. That's a TikTok viral clip right there.
Fucking. Oh god. It's just saying prop firm traders go crazy on YouTube.
Dude, so the cool thing is that when you do come and stay over in my little cottage, we can just do a nighttime stream and a morning stream, bro. Look at that, dude. Streams all the time. Stream all day, stream all night.
Trade off of my iPad instead. This is great, dude. I just love how
It's just
It's
nothing,
fucking me.
doing nothing.
like I'm still in this trade. Part of me really doesn't want to be, but like I am. Here I am, still in it.
I don't really want to be, but I'm still in it. Why does that make me laugh, dude?
Yeah, well, we're rejecting off this 1 minute again, but we're probably not going to hold this time. It's probably just going to go, phew, which is fine, because then I will be done trading these accounts for the night, and I will just be done.
Dude, how come I can relate to all of those vibes? Only a trader can relate to what you're saying. But you know what, dude? I see all of these freaking hold on.
Did you just have a mental brain freeze?
No, I got a text after responding to it.
Very important text.
No, I got this shoot that I'm doing next week, and they're messaging me about some stuff about it. So, by the way, Taya found a Cuban spot in my neighborhood.
That place I went to that you recommended, the Cuban spot, was.
But that was not in my neighborhood, bro. I'm in you know.
It's not in your neighborhood, but the one you told me to go to in the city was fucking amazing.
Hell yeah.
I got some chips.
The
What?
plantain chips?
No. I don't know what flavor it got, so I just got a couple.
What do you got?
Fritos.
Oh, nice.
And you ready for some good ASMR?
Hell yeah, you gonna be eating them on stream? That's pretty good, dude. That's like some legit ASMR, dude. What kind of mic is that?
Shure SM7B.
Oh, you have the fucking the mega
Yeah.
podcast YouTuber mic.
Mm-hmm.
But what do you have in front of it though? Like, what is that thing?
The mic.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's the hottest. You know that I bought this mic, the one that I'm streaming with right now. I bought this because it was the most. It resembled the Shure SMB whatever 7 the most, and this is a Logitech, and I have everything Logitech, so I got Logitech. But like I did a bunch of Reddit reviews and like YouTube reviews, and this is like the competitor of that mic. Pretty much similar price points as well too. You need an amp to run it. You need an amp to run that, right?
Yep.
You have a Stream Deck, by the way?
Mm-hmm. I have a Stream Deck. I got a Go XLR. I got it all. I just don't have a good trade right now. And that's the only thing I don't have. Or profits at the moment.
I got it all. I just don't have a good trade right now or profits. I'm dead, dude. I'm freaking dead.
Don't you love it?
Love what? Watching this paint dry here in the markets? Yeah. It's great, dude.
I'm still in this long.
What's your entry?
I don't want to talk about it. It's not where it should have been, though.
I mean, like I said, man, like we basically take a nice. So this is what the market is right now. Okay, I'm gonna break it down because it's literally like so funny. We get 5 or 6 15-minute candles in a row, right? That just take each other's highs and lows. So it's a range market, and then a breakout to the upside, and then we get to, let's see how many points this is. 715. We get to 10 points ahead of us or 10 points above, and what happens again? It's 15 minutes taking each other's highs and lows again here. We'll probably get another little push, 10 points, do the same shit. Then another 10 points, Could take fucking. You could be here till 4 in the morning before you get to like 7:47.
Yeah, probably.
Here's that push
What's
though.
crazier is I was in this trade originally long.
Yeah, like 7:13, right?
No, I was long originally at 695.
What? 695? There's no way, dude.
Yeah.
How'd you get into that long? Because it was the fill the gap. Little pullback gap fill here.
Yeah. But that, and I trailed that, and I got stopped out. I trailed it to put myself back to that break-even point. Remember?
Yeah.
And then it went downhill from here. Had I not trailed that,
You would be up pretty heavy.
I'd be up massive.
I mean, you know what? The good thing is that you were thinking 1 or 2 contracts, right? So.
As of right now, yeah.
Yeah, I know, but you know what I mean.
Earlier, no.
You were sizing up, big size.
Big dick swinging. I love how, again, it hits to where my entry is, and then it's like, yeah, you know where your entry is? Fuck you.
Your entry's at the breakout. But I mean, listen, here's your change of state, right? On this, here's your 1 minute.
You know I don't see your stream, right?
You don't have the YouTube.
I do,
up?
but it's delayed.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, I have to wait like 17 minutes for it.
So terrible, dude. Yeah, I wonder if I can't stream as well into YouTube. I mean, into Discord, just my screen to you, right? Could I do that?
Yeah, you can.
I can actually do that.
Yeah.
Let me see. I'm gonna mute my mic in Discord though, so it's not double. Yeah, let me know if you got it.
Yep. You got it.
Okay. So there you go, baby. We got everything live here. So yeah, what I was saying is, this is what I was saying earlier, dude. When I thought you were watching, but look, there's this fucking accumulation of price, you know, on the 5-minute chart, and also the 15-minute chart. If you go to 15-minute, you're gonna see. Look at that. It takes the high, comes back down, takes the low, comes back up, doesn't take anything, comes back down, takes the low. Like, it's just, you know what I mean? And then you get that 10-point breakout and does the same shit again here.
I think we're actively in the 10-point breakout right now.
Oh yeah, dude, it's gonna happen now. You're gonna get a little boner candle here to the upside. Actually, I need to share my whole screen because it was doing that thing like earlier that you said, that laggy thing. It's weird that it does that. So yeah, you probably could just mark out the last push that we got, which was that, and you could probably put that here. So next spot 740. If the past is any indication of the present or the future. Here's that pump, Mr. Matt. What you doing, Matt? You playing with your whiteboard?
There we go. I didn't realize I was muted this whole time. Okay. Alex.
Yeah.
So, we logged 7:26:25. We got in really, really early. But in reality, I knew better. We had a 1 minute gap. I knew we were going to test at like 7:20-ish level. We probably could have waited for that. But I did it. As soon as I got in, it was down. Down to here. Here. Spike up. Back down. Here. Up. Down. Up. Mid. So far, currently, the way it looks now. Here now.
Dude, my camera is struggling here.
Who knows? What are my headphones doing? All right. What the hell is going on here?
A lot of nothing, dude.
You like my long explanation?
I love it, man. Next area of resistance is 742. So I don't know how long it's going to take for us to get there, but that's what it's looking like. It's going, that's for sure.
Oh, I'm hoping it goes all the way to 792.
792. You better be fucking stream. You better be trading till 6 in the morning, bro.
At this rate, dude. This is just horrendous.
It's not great. It is not great. And you work tomorrow. What time? You said 2, right?
2 o'clock, so I got all day.
Great. So you're helping in the morning stream with me for moral support.
I mean, sure, yeah. Why not?
Yeah, dude. You got the fucking light set up. Might as well come on in.
Hopefully.
You're up 25,000 like yesterday. Yep, I know.
Yeah. Hopefully.
ES is looking fucking horrible on any time frame other than a 15-minute. That's for sure. Let's go look at GC. Maybe there's a. I guess I should probably put some DXY up here so we can watch the correlated dollar. By the way, dude, I love that Abe is going to start sharing option trades because he just put $100 into like Robinhood yesterday or the day before, and took a short on QQQ, which is the options version of Nasdaq, and he took $100, turned it into $400. So I'm vibing with that a lot. Okay. So yeah, the dollar is just selling off. And gold is just ripping to the upside. I really wanted us to come tag. I mean, I really wanted to see at least these lows get taken. these Asia lows get taken before I can get into a long. That's what I was waiting for. Maybe even a tap into this 15-minute. But it doesn't look like that's going to happen. Going to go ahead and draw. A little premium and discount here. Yeah, I mean, 36.05 would make me want to get in this. That's for sure. Dude, did you see that? I don't know if you know, but X allows you to stream into X now.
This is looking very, very interesting. My NQ trade.
Let's go look.
I already moved my stop loss to break even, just simply because I rather just be done with this trade and trade it tomorrow.
Yeah. Yeah, markets aren't giving us too much to play with, so.
Probably gonna come tap me out here, actually. But we'll see.
I don't know, you might get that little spurt.
Yeah, looks like I am. Look at that.
Little spurt up to 742.
Little spurt up to 792.
742, baby.
Whatever happened at 4:15 earlier today, I don't need it to go down with a spike, but I do need it to spike all the way up like it did. It could just do that. We would be very happy.
Yeah, I mean, look at this fucking chart, dude. Look at this hourly chart, bro. There's not one fucking green candle on this thing. This is crazy. Not one green candle on that chart, bro. We obviously want this, all right? Let's just go get this. How about that?
We just need to keep going up.
You ever write something out and you're like, that doesn't look right, but it is right? Because that just happened to me.
Yeah.
It's the worst. It's literally the worst. All right, I'm going to announce that we are... you know what? We might get a... You know what I was thinking? We might get a good trade at 10. The new 4 hour like we did yesterday. That's the thing, dude. We weren't trade... Like when you made 25K last night, it was after 10 o'clock, dude. Right? Like we did trade 6 p.m. I mean, actually, I traded 6 p.m. that one day.
I think I just rushed into this today.
No, I mean, like, we just, like, you're not going to get movement until, like, that new 4 hour, you know? I mean, there you go. You got a nice little push here, it looks like, on the higher time frames now.
Yeah. And we might be able to create a 5-minute bullish gap here. Which would be nice.
We have a new hourly, we're not new, but we have an hourly here. Yeah, new 9 minutes ago. 15-minute. We're at the highs of those. This 4 hour candle is parabolic, by the way. The open of that 4 hour is just ridiculous. The anyone that got into the wake of that 4 hour is just a badass. That's what you said you were in, right? That 696?
Mm-hmm.
That was a beautiful trade if you would have held that. That was literally the 4 hour PO3.
If I didn't go for my just to break even for the accounts, I would have been. I'd be almost done with my day. Be almost done. Who knows? Slow night, man. Super slow.
Yeah, I think we're gonna get a push at 10. So I think right now we're just hanging out, man. It's all about us hanging out here together, me and you. Well, I guess you're eating chips while I'm hanging out, but you know,
I am eating chips.
dude, I'm about to go get. I have some Cheetos popcorn,
Ooh.
like fire Cheeto popcorn, pretty delicious. So what you think I should get some? I just get lights to the back of my to this here, and we're chilling. It's probably the vibe, right?
I don't see your camera.
Oh yeah, I mean, I you don't have the stream up, right? So.
I do have the stream up, but it's delayed.
Oh fuck! But it shouldn't be, dude. I set it so that it wouldn't be delayed. But it is. Is it always like that on YouTube or?
Yeah, I think it's just a natural delay. But yeah, you're talking about for the black wall. Yeah, I think that's a good idea.
Yeah. All right. Let me see if I can get the YouTube link. It's in Discord, right? We put it in Discord.
Well, I mean, if this just continues the trend line up,
Yeah.
I mean, I'm looking good. But the moment this fucking market decides it wants to just turn, I'm fucked.
I hear you. I think it's bullish until it's not, right? So.
Yeah, and the moment it's not, literally, I'm thinking the moment it changes.
Yeah. I mean, you know, even like this is kind of ridiculous. I think right now, every beginner trader is shorting this thing, right? They're trying to fucking catch the top, which is ridiculous to do, especially in a market like this. Like, I mean, when you
This
look,
736 level is going to be a little concerning.
I mean, when you look at this daily candle is just makes you want to throw up, dude. Like, look at this thing, massive candle, and this new one, opening gap, new day opening gap up, and then just the parabolic. I mean, I wouldn't say parabolic. Looks at parabolic, but it's not because it's been just like a slow grind higher. We're waiting for news, right? So whatever happens tomorrow can either push us to get that buy side liquidity or bring us right back down to rebalance a lot of this move here.
Well, if you zoom out on like the 15, or even like an hourly, 4-hourly.
We also just inverse that daily, but it doesn't matter because that daily's been mitigated from before. But if I zoom into like an hourly, what'd you say?
go into a 15 or an hourly and zoom out,
Yeah.
and you just see the shape we're creating here.
Yeah. This is a market maker buy model basically. But see, this is the market that I like. See that circle? Or yeah, we're a little delayed, but that circle I mean, actually you can see on Discord, no?
Yeah, I'm looking at it.
All right, so that is the shit I like. I like you can trade this. You know what I mean? Like it's tradable. Like that's great. Every 4-hour candle gets swept and then we push back up, you know? Like it's nice. This
It's pain.
hard to trade, right? Unless you're just going to go with the trend, which I ended up going with the trend after a couple paper cuts. And ended the day really nicely green. I actually have the P&L up here because it's still connected to the accounts. So 3,600 on the funded accounts, but yeah, I mean, you know, I don't know. To me, it's a little tricky. I like to catch the reversals.
15 minutes about to close.
But thankfully, I've been trading a lot of continuations lately, so that's been good for my soul.
Closed bullish. New 15 minute just opened. We created another 15-minute.
It's a pretty
gap.
strong 15-minute. Yep. It's looking good. I think you get that push up into those 40s right now. But it is insane that in the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, like 25, 20 minutes, we've gone from 27, 727 and 733. We've gone 5 points, dude.
The last 15. Realistically, the last 15, 30, the last hour. Remember, we got a new. It's just been nothing.
Yeah. This is just the market we have tonight. We have to accept it, right?
It's like 12 points, dude.
Let's go look at GC here. See if we get something out of GC maybe. Ooh, okay. GC might be giving us something, dude. Okay, GC.
Oh my god. Look at this go, dude. Please go higher. Please just shoot up like a rocket ship, bro.
Rocket ship. Shoot up like a rocket ship.
I might be able to bring these accounts back to life tonight.
Right? Especially with this slow grind higher. So from here to here.
I'm so tempted to take this because it's 250 and it helps me get back to more breathing room, but at the same token, it's like I have a decent entry if this does keep going.
Dude, this is kind of crazy. GC looks wild. You've got these 4-hour swings on GC here. 4-hour swing here and here, here and here. So the 4-hour low got taken, and then the 4-hour high did not get taken. It got left. So yeah, this is, I mean, I'm bullish. I'm looking for us to take those high 3618s there. So I'm gonna wait for that push back into that 15-minute gap on GC, and I think I'm gonna take a trade off of it. If we can get it, something like around here would be good. Let's see what the hourly looks like. Yeah, we even have an hourly gap there too. I'm a fan, bruh. I'm a fan. We're gonna draw that hourly gap because I like it. Yeah, this is looking favorable. We can get into these lows here, or not the lows, but we get back into discount. I like it for the upside.
We created another 1 minute bullish gap here on NQ. Move my stop loss just to scare a little bit of profit since I'm already in drawdown.
Nice.
Not
Yeah, I like this a lot. I mean, I would. Let me see what this looks like if I just set up a. Yeah, this is great. I would totally do this. And look for those highs. Yep. 300 for 1,080. It's a pretty good deal.
It's not bad.
It's in discount too. This is a potentially really nice trade. If we can get it. The hourly lows right there.
Isn't gonna come tap me out,
oh yeah, right here, 15-minute low. That's your LT. Logical liquidity target. Is this the 4-hour candle? Yeah, it is. Okay. Let me think here. So if this 4-hour candle closes back inside the range, it would be slightly bearish. But this has to go up higher. This candle takes this low, Then it opens, then it closes back inside the range. This candle comes, takes 50% of this wick here, taking out liquidity from that area. And now we should go for these highs here. I might be late to the trade, but this 4 hour, also we have a 4 hour BPR here, but it's already been mitigated, so don't care for that.
Still holding on this long.
Nice. Yeah, I like this trade if I can get it, but I don't think I can. Actually, I might be able to on the 1 hour. The 1 hour can pull back into this gap, tag us in, and take us higher. I like this trade. All right, 605. I think I'm going to leave this order in. This order looks pretty good. $1,000 risking $330. I don't think I can beat this trade here. So
Still in this long, and it's looking good for me. Let me take a look at yours real quick. Pull yours back up here. Hard to see with the white background, bros.
bruh, I don't think so.
It is hard to see.
On YouTube?
Hard to see on both, dude.
You really think so?
For certain.
All right, let me switch over to this one.
Much easier to read.
Maybe you're just blind, dude.
I'm definitely not. I have amazing vision.
You sure about that?
100%. I can see right through the bullshit of how this market's fucking me right now.
Can you, dude? Can you see right through it?
You know what the crazy part is even if I hit my take profit, I won't be in profit.
Yeah, I know. But hey, it's going to start looking a lot better than it is right now, right?
Yeah, I mean, I need that.
All right, so I think I think it's a little dark, so we're going to just brighten it up. And also, I switched my monitor, dude, so I think at least here looks good
That's
to
good.
me.
No, that looks good there.
Right here.
Yeah, the white, the like flashbang, don't know.
Flashbang, huh?
It's a flashbang, dude.
Is that how you interpret?
Yeah. Bright ass white fucking screen. Flashbang.
What if I go kind of dark, like... Can you tell what's what?
No, that's hard to tell. Hell no. You're wild.
I'm messing around.
Listen, gray background, white bullish, black bearish, and you're good.
I don't know. It's just harder for me to see it. I think I like it like this.
It's hard for you to see the white?
Yeah, I think my eyes are just so burnt.
Yeah, from your fucking flashbang background, yeah.
Oh, man. All right, I'm going back to my other chart. I can't with this. Flashbang?
Fucking flashbang, dude.
Well, we're going to make it gray, but we're going to make
perfect.
it...
That's perfect right there.
Yeah, but I'm going to make it not so dark. Hold on. We're going to get a little... I think here is good. Yeah, that's great, dude. That's an in-between, man. That makes everybody happy.
Mm-hmm.
You could see that. Don't you lie to me. I do agree that the white is hard on stream.
I could see it a lot better.
Yeah. I do agree the white is hard on stream, so you're right with that. That's for sure.
It's coming from a guy that used to stream every day.
From a stream master. I know, dude.
Oh, I know the streams.
You're a stream master, dude. Oh, dude, I was gonna post that. I was gonna post on X that we're streaming, and hanging out, and people should come join, but forgot about that. So let me go do that. Damn.
Oh,
So
I'm
this
gonna be
guy
in
on
this.
X that I follow has been just like losing. Like he pulled out like 50K last month in payouts, and then I mean not last month, the month before, and then August is just like he lost like 30 grand. Just a bad month for him. And then like he's been having like like he's like bad luck essentially. And he just posted that it feels good to be back in his XFAs, which is his funded top sub accounts. He had a $9,000 profits today, so he's very happy. Good for this guy.
That's another 1 minute bullish gap for me.
It's just another one. Check. Another one. Check.
No. Accidentally clicked on that. Don't want to do that. Don't want to do that. Don't want to do that. Oof. Close. I accidentally clicked my stop and just dragged it sky high. I thought it was just going to instantly take me out of the trade.
Why are you doing that, dude?
I didn't mean to.
Why are you
realized
doing
my-
that, dude?
My mouse fell asleep.
Jump on Currently trading
Get a bottle of water.
Asia session.
Man, I love this. Choppy choppy NQ.
Dude, your cough, dude.
I know. This fucking bearish ass minute candle here is fucking me in the ass. It's got no wick either way, too.
I'm just waiting for GC to come to take these lows so I can get long.
I'm gonna get stuck out pretty soon. 3 points. Rocking a 3-point stop here, bud.
It's always lovely to hear.
I mean, the next minute, I need this thing to close above 33.25. So, how about you just close above 34 and we're all happy. Better yet, close above 437. Gotta love it, gotta love it, gotta love it.
Gotta love it, gotta love it, gotta love it. Dude, you got me wanting water, dude. I'm not gonna lie.
Water goes crazy.
Water goes crazy.
Okay, this candle took 30 seconds to show. And when it finally did, it went up, which is a good sign. We need a closure above 33.25. A 34, above 34, we're looking. I have a slight smile. Slight smile. 33.25. It's like a, it's a forced smile. Okay, we got it. I got a new 15. My thing here. Right there.
You got it, baby bird?
got the closure I wanted.
That's
It's
good,
just
man. That's
not the
great.
closure on my heart is not the same.
I hear you.
We got the closure above it, so I like it a little bit. I don't like this spike down, but maybe I do. Maybe I like it. Maybe it just... Maybe that's a good thing for me. Do we have SMT on NQ?
Been looking at GC waiting for an entry, but let's go look.
Oh, doesn't matter. I'm stopped out.
Stopped out.
Is this the
Let's see.
sell-off now?
Damn, that other one was really bright, huh?
It was, dude.
No, there's no SMT.
Yeah, it's not anymore, yeah. Are we at the sell-off portion? Who knows?
I mean, we did sweep 15-minute high and close back inside on ES, and we did sweep the hourly. I don't know. It would be hard to try to guess this is the top, right? We're about to have an hourly gap here. That in 30 minutes, I guess. Let's see, 15-minute. I mean, it would be nice to like tap into a 15-minute, you know, a little rebalancing of some sort would be nice.
Yeah, I mean...
Why would we do that, right? Why would the market
do
just do that for us? It's like, why do I draw 15-minute gaps when they're just drawn for me, right? Okay, so right now we're getting some movement. I don't know what happened, but the 1 minute looks a little cleaner. So we have an inversion on the 1 minute. I hate to say it, but I would probably try to take a stab short on this. I would just hate to try to do that before the new 4-hour candle at 10. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. It's tricky. Looks good. I'd probably target this. I mean, we've already taken the 15-minute low, though. ES as well. I don't know. I don't love it. I feel like if it was New York, I'd short it, because it is overextended. It's definitely overextended, but you know how much room does this really have to the downside? You know what I mean? Like, yeah, I don't know. I think right now the thing I'm seeing the most and I like the most right now is that gold trade. That gold trade's looking pretty good, and I can make some money on that gold trade. So I think that's what I'm going to focus on, because if we get that pull down here on gold, if I get a push down into this area on gold, I'll probably just take a long, looking for the high of this range here. We got 2 4-hour highs here. Really good buy side, in my opinion. I'm gonna mark it out here, buy side. I should probably put on the caption that we're ICT traders.
Probably, yeah.
Probably would be helpful, huh? For some reason, I wrote out liquidity trader instead of buy side liquidity. I think I'm broken. I think I'm literally broken.
Super slow market.
Yep, so it's been all night. You don't understand how good this looks on GC, dude. If we do come down here, man, this is beautiful. Take those lows here, and then head higher. I think I'm gonna put in a limit order here. I think I'm committed to this concept that I have. Like, I think I would do something like this. 350 for buy side. It's for 1,000. This BPR looks good, man. Oh yeah, this is a 15-minute BPR. Yeah, this looks good. This is exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to just set it and forget it. So I got one trade set and forget in GC. Looks really good. I think it looks great. Let's go back to NQ here, see what's going on. Damn. Still very slow, but that short did look good. All I can think is that if we do get a little bit of a sell-off here, back down to like those 720s, that new 4-hour opens and then goes and takes its high. That's what I'm assuming. Because for me to get short, I have to have a 4-hour take a high. I can't short unless that 4-hour takes the high. All right, let me post on X, dude, that we're live here, because I was gonna do it, and then I started thinking about water because I was thirsty, and then I got caught up doing other stuff. We got 6 viewers here. If you guys are watching and enjoying this,
These slow markets.
we should literally just call this slow markets with the TraderMade team. So should I put www.youtube.com and then the @
I guess. I don't know. I don't know YouTube like that.
.com/@ TraderMade Live. Oh yeah, it is. It's actually showing this. So I think that worked. You know what's crazy, dude? My post about me losing 10K the other day, has like the most views on X. I don't know if people love the realness of it, you know, like that we're real and posting the reality of trading, or if people just love to like they love your demise, you know, your downfall,
Might
as
be
they would
both.
say. Right?
Might be both. 701.
How can I see who the fuck retweeted this? Oh, view post interactions, maybe. Weird. It says that it was retweeted, but I can't see. Maybe I could share this directly to X. Let's see. I think I could. Live streaming.
Slow markets with TMade. Your grandma is faster than these markets. That's what we should make the title.
I mean, I've been trying to post to Twitter or to X, and every time I look up, we haven't moved a fucking centimeter. Check to see if my GC trade is in. Dude, okay, yeah, my buy limit's still there. If we take buy side, though, I gotta get out of that trade. I mean, I would like to see, I guess, the Asia session 50% of the range. So 720 would be good for longs. It's kind of crazy that that's literally the center of the current Asian range, 720. Like, we've only moved 40 points in that long.
My music stopped. Wow. Just realized that. Let's sit here. No music.
That's fucking brutal, dude.
It's 15-minute on NQ's closing pretty bearish, wouldn't you say? It's crazy to say, but 4 points is bearish on this.
Magic Mark says, is it still retweet if it's no longer Twitter? Honestly, that's a good question.
Phenomenal question.
When I said it, I actually thought that to my own self. You know, I was like, is it Twitter? Is it not? I think we're always going to be stuck with the word tweet, right? Like, I feel like tweet was like, it's like the thing, right? Like, no one's going to say like I X'd, you know, or whatever. But like I tweeted or I sent a tweet. That makes more sense to me. But what do I know? I'm just a guy trying to send a post to X to let people know we're on YouTube. We don't do YouTube much, but we're trying to get more into it. So, live streaming slow markets on YouTube with TMade Matt. Come hang out. That sound good? Live streaming slow markets on YouTube with TMade Matt.
Sounds great, dude. You know what's not great?
Your trade?
I mean, the trade's okay. I mean, I've been hovering over the flatten button the entire time.
Like your hand on the trigger?
Yeah, like it's a hair trigger too, bro. It's like the moment I fucking tap it, bro, it's done. I'm up 165 on it, so it's like I kind of want to hold it, but at the same token, I'm like, yeah.
Dude, you think I should make a root beer float?
Yes.
Dude, I've never had a root beer float before.
You've never had a... No, wait. You're going to have to wait now. Now you have to wait. I have to be there. I have to be there.
All I know is that my girlfriend was like, yo, I bought root beer and I bought ice cream. She says, I want to make root beer float for you. See, because she knows I never had it before.
This could kill me here, Alex. Sorry. Look at this shit, bro. Look at it, bro. 27, 15-minute gap. Like, what? Just go, bro. Just go. It's not that. Don't trade on emotion, kids. It's a bad idea.
It's not a good one, that's for sure.
It just makes it a lot more fun. Oh, 727!
Live streaming slow markets on YouTube with TMade Matt. Come hang out. Does that sound whack, dude, or that sounds dope?
He's a crackhead. That doesn't do crack. Let's just specify. Oh, what the fuck was that spike?
There you go, baby. There you go.
The fuck was that 10-point spike, bro?
What did I say, dude? Sell off to 720.
I want you to understand that if I got
722.25. 720 is coming. I'm telling you, 720 is coming.
I needed to go lower.
I mean, listen, dude. Do I think it's gonna go to 712? Honestly, that's what I want for you.
I needed to go to 701.
Okay, well, you know what? 709 is the most I got for you before we get bought up. That's all I can tell you, brother.
You know what? I won't even need that much. I only need... I just need 710. That's all I need. 710. Please.
I got the fibs there. So we could see where price could get bought up at.
It's just a random spike, by the way. If I got into all the contracts I wanted to, it still wouldn't have taken me out, but never mind. I love this, dude. Sorry, I love this, bro. I can sit here.
What's your entry?
732.
Okay. I like it. That's that change in state of delivery to the downside. I like it. Is that a 15-minute gap?
1 minute.
Yeah, but we're making a 15-minute gap is what I mean.
We are making a 15, yes. But like that spike down is very worrying.
Nah, dude.
It's just a split second. It just went down, and it's like, yeah, hey, guess what? Oh, nope, never mind.
Okay, posting on X again. So, like, the thing is, I already posted, dude. Like, that's the thing. I just don't know if this is a better post because I didn't have the stream link.
Yeah, fuck it, post it again. Who the fuck cares?
Dude. Streaming some markets on you.
This thing is going down, and I like it. It's going down just like a hooker goes down on the man. It's not going down fast enough.
That's the problem. That's the real problem, huh?
Just so everyone knows, if this ever gets clipped for our future, and they say I'm an emotional trader, just know it's an act. Just acting.
It's entertainment, by the way. This is all entertainment, guys. Nothing. None of this is financial advice. Make a post for X to notify.
I'm here just to put on a show. The trades are real, prop firm trades, but the emotion is just entertainment. Here to have a good time. Ah, man, this fucking thing is gonna. I really wanted to get a. Oh no, no, no! Look at this thing, bro. Just look at it go.
It's kind of unfortunate because the Control Z just doesn't work. Okay, great.
Damn, bro, I was up $300.
I know, it's just a little unfortunate because it's been doing this. The market comes down and right before tapping discount gets like right bought up. That's what it's just been doing all day.
It's crazy to say, but a 4-point candle is really powerful right now.
Dude, you know how sad that sounds?
It's insanely sad, dude. I don't like that. maybe I like it. We'll find out. I won't like it if it hits the stop loss. I will like it if it hits the TP.
Solid.
So that's a fair analysis.
Okay, cool. I got the link up. Now it works. Sweet. Question is, do I boost this post to 1 million people?
Trillion
Trillion?
people. Yeah. Make it 2 trillion.
2 trillion? Okay.
Yeah. You
I
put
do-
it in the post.
I do like this magic man who came in here. It was funny as hell. Magic Mark.
I mean, that's a great question.
It is a great question. I'm not going to lie. It is. Okay, I think I'm going to run and get some water, and I'll be right back. Matt, you better hold down the stream, all right?
All right, ladies and gentlemen. That's what we're here for. Here to hold down the stream. You better not go make a root beer float, because if you make one and I'm not there when you have one, I'm going to be pissed. First try. It's definitely already gone. We're still in this trade. Sucks though. I mean, like I said, we were up at one point. About we almost up 600. I was definitely up 540 at one point. I could have taken that. 400 I saw again. And 420 I saw easily. Like, could have taken it. Gotta believe in the trade though. Let's see. 3150 has got to be the resistance here. And we're back to break even. Another 1 minute gap here. Hopefully can hold us down. Super bullish on this 5 minutes. I do not like this 1 minute candle. It just closed. I'm not going to create a gap anymore. 10 p.m. open's about to happen. It's an hour 10 p.m. 4-hour candle. Jeez Louise. English was not my friend a second ago. I will cut this trade in 5 minutes if it's not really low already. It's got 5 minutes to prove to me why I should hold it. Really 4 minutes because it's proven to me I shouldn't hold it. Still in it. So what's going on with ES? $15-minute high. I think we just got. Nope. Okay, we swapped the previous 15. And we're out of all of our contracts. Terrible day. Jeez. Louise. Damn. Should have taken the 300 when I could have. Two minutes left till the next 4 hour. How are we looking on this hourly? We're looking so bullish on this fucking hourly too. 4 hours, super bullish. Seconds. And then we'll see 10 p.m. 10 p.m. Stuff will go crazy.
Yo, Matt, you've been holding it down?
I've been holding it down, but I got knocked out of that trade when I could have taken 500 profit, but instead I took 100.
You holding it down, baby?
I'm holding it down.
Nice. You got 5 viewers here live.
Yeah, I got also a lot of 5 reasons why this 10 p.m. open needs to be crazy. Just come up to 743. Tag 743. You know what? Tag 743.25 and then just.
By the way, dude.
Yes.
Root beer float.
Fire.
Look at that. Look at that. First timer.
I have to wait to look at it. You know you can just turn your camera on and zoom, right?
No. I don't like that.
Mug?
Yeah, it's not how you do it.
Never would have put it in a mug, but yeah. Did you say you don't like it?
I love it. Where would you put it in?
I don't know, like a big glass or something.
I don't have that here, dude.
We're gonna just not create a wick up here. Or are we just creating the lower wick to create another 4-hour fucking gap? We just inverted a 4-hour, dude.
Mm-hmm.
Are we just continuing bullish here? Like, we
Probably.
just
I mean, look what happened, dude. We got basically all the way down to 50% of the Asian range and got bought right back up. So yeah, who knows what's gonna happen here. I do have a GC trade on though.
Yeah, how's that going?
Let's check on it. Haven't got tagged in yet. Yeah. We take buy side though. I gotta get out of the idea of the trade. But $300 for $1,200 risk, or $300 of risk for $1,200 profit. Can't go wrong with that. It's a great fucking trade in my book. Yeah, I was so happy last night when my trade hit.
Oh, for the eval?
Yeah, the midnight open thing.
I don't know what the fuck this shit is, but it's ass, dude. It's ass.
Some of the worst trading I've seen in a while, huh? Whoever thought about making a root beer and then putting, like,
Ice cream into it?
yeah.
A wild man.
It's a wild concept, dude. Pretty good.
Yeah, they're great.
I was not expecting anything like that, to be honest. This might give slow markets a new name, huh? To
Yeah.
your grandma's faster.
Grandma's faster, dude.
Oh. So tomorrow we have non-farm. We have 8:30 a.m. news tomorrow. PMI came in bullish today. What's up, guys? If you're here watching, please give us a thumbs up. Hit us with a comment. I'd love to I'd love to talk to you. Right, Matt?
Yes, I'm zoned out now.
I will be too. With this chart. Also, of course, no one's watching my chart. My chart looks like ass. Should I hit him with the TMade Dark?
Yes.
You love TMade Dark. Look sexy or what?
Mm-hmm.
I know you love it. Honestly, it looks bullish.
Yeah, it does.
Looks very bullish. Creating a new 4-hour bullish gap here, most likely. No way we have this, dude. I just found a little... Oh my god. Dude. 742. Straight rejection. How come I didn't see this before?
What do you mean you didn't see it before? Maybe because you're using the fucking flashbang.
I didn't see it before. Did you see it? The 4-hour...
Yeah.
Dude, that's the target, dude. Wow. You figured it out, man. I need to grab... Actually, we're gonna grab the one from the dark. What the? Okay, this shit's bugging. Okay. So I only want the overlapping part. So that's going to be this part here. Dude, I'm into this if we get here. I'll short the hell out of this thing. You heard me? That sweeps this other 4-hour here. So it'll sweep the 4-hour high. Tag into 742. Oh my god, dude, this is light work here. This is the kind of trade I'm looking for, dude. Fucking looking for a huge push down. I'll literally give it some room too, like I'll give it $255 worth of risk. All right, I put this trade on. Actually, you know what I'm going to do? We're going to try to get into a long to target that to then take a short. I mean, why didn't I think of that? Okay, this low got taken here. Are we in discount? We are. So if I buy this, stop here, take profit up here into what that thing I have. Did I not have what I have it marked out? 742 is what I want to go to. 742. I like this.
Done with the 9 fundeds. I'm only trading the top steps now.
Nice. I like to hear. All right, I'm in. I'm in looking for a long here.
I'm not trading the 9 fundeds tomorrow morning either. I won't be able to.
Good.
Not good, but.
Discipline over emotion. Is that what you always tell me?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so I'm in a long trade here, looking for that 4-hour high to get taken. So we have this 4-hour candle has no upper wick, so
I'm with you on it.
I like this idea. I just hope it doesn't sell off lower before we go higher. As we know, that's a thing. But we need buyers to step in here and discount. Okay, this is good.
I'm gonna take a piss. Be right back.
Yeah. Four-hour close bullish. We really should not come down here. We really should continue higher, but market's a little weird right now. I don't want to see us trade below 725. It's not looking too good. We need buyers stepping in here inside the discount of the range. Very odd behavior here from this new 4-hour candle. We have no upper wick on any of those on the 15-minute, the hourly, the 4-hour here. It's not looking hot, man. I really like the idea of targeting this, though. 4-hour high. Only thing I don't love is that the first 15-minute low is down here. Oh, I'm not even copy trading. That's funny. It's not good. We're getting a little heavy here in discount. Not what I want to see. We should be holding this range. We should have, like, every time we've topped discount, every other scenario, we've been bought up pretty quickly. We barely even traded into it. we're starting to see us trade into this one, which I don't like at all. Like, look, this example here. So here's our current high, right? We came back down, and look, we missed discount by, like, discount here. We missed it by 2.5 points. Like, buyers just stepped in right away. Now we're inside discount of this little range here, of this move, and we're not seeing any buyers. So this is where I wish I was using Bookmap to see where those damn buyers are. I don't love this. I don't love it. Is that lower wick protected, Matt? Is the question. Is it protected, sir? Really weird, man. They're gonna trade this back up into this wick. I mean, back up into here. Like, this is not. You can't be left without a wick, right? Just I don't know if it's gonna happen before I can, like. I don't know if I can stay in this trade long enough to see that reality. They might want to trade down into this hourly. The good thing is we've now taken that previous 15-minute low, so if we get bought up here, we've swept the 15-minute low. I don't know. This might be the first time we see sellers show up, which is kind of odd. I really would have thought we would push back up, taking this high. Usually, you don't see the high put in and then a sell off. You usually see a high put in, and then we take that high one more time, and then we get that sell off. So we'll see. Maybe buyers step in right here where they have to, or else we are donezo. Gonna go look at GC here. I still have this GC trade in here. I think I'm going to just leave this thing. Buyers are stepping in a bit here. Oof. Okay. That's where we needed them to step in. Let's go. This is a big test here, Matt. This is back into premium of the range. If sellers don't smack this thing down right here, we're going to see this thing pop right back up. What do you think about that, sir? That was a 15-minute sweep. Did we unlock a 30-second imbalance? We did here. Yeah, this is looking pretty good now for the upside. So this low is protected so far. Sellers are gonna have to try to show if they're here. Matt, you're muted, by the way, if you're talking to me.
Yeah, I've just been watching and listening.
Bro, saved by my stop, huh?
I got stopped out actually.
Oh man, sorry to hear that too.
It literally, my stop was 24.25.
Oof.
It's crazy.
It is crazy. Literally right to your stop. Part of me is like, I kind of want to take this off, but the other part of me is like, sellers could have really taken control down there. They didn't. So this has been almost every one of my Globex sessions. I'm just 2 or 1 point, like 1 or 2 points away from a stop. Like, I mean, that was 724.25, and that was 722.25. So 2 points away from that stop. You can't make that up. Now what I'm a little bit worried about is this 15-minute last up candle here. It could reject the midpoint of it, which would be exactly 732, which is exactly where we are rejecting from.
Gotta love it, dude.
We do gotta love it. Only thing I can think is that, you know, we have a no wick hourly and 4-hour candle up there that potentially this can flip into. So we're gonna mark it out as devil's mark here. See if we can get a push up there. Wow, back down again. Rejected right where I didn't want to see us reject from. It's kind of annoying. Only thing keeping hope in my dreams is this devil's mark now. See if we can get a flip of that of this hourly here. Right? And then we can take out this high here.
Yeah, this is just a rough night, man.
Yeah, it's not a, I mean, I knew right when I saw the markets the way that they started off. I mean, look at the open of Asia, man. It's fucking horrible. Like, look at this shit. How are you supposed to trade this, bro? Look at this.
It's insane.
Look at that. That was the open. That's Asia open, right? And then look at fucking our open. The range.
It's just terrible.
Yeah, it's just untradeable. Maybe I should not have... this is what I didn't want to see. I didn't want to see us pushing back into discount. I mean, back into premium and sellers actually show up. Might get stopped out here, actually. Yeah, it's coming right for me. Pretty insane. And exactly where I said, too, that 15-minute last up candle had a bunch of trapped traders. Nothing we could do about this. Except for accept the fate. But pretty wild that we got bought up really quickly all the way back up into premium, and then right where the sellers had to show up, they did, and sent it right back down. That is insanity. Even with us having the devil's mark here, which is a known target for price. It will probably take out this lower wick here and then send it right back up to that devil's mark. Just take me out so I can be done with you, NQ, and not trade you tonight anymore. We're going to go look at GC again. I feel like GC's been the one that's actually has potential here for something. GC's also kind of ranging, man. I don't know. These markets are just not... Like, where the fuck is all the volume? Like, what is this? Has it stopped me out yet? Let's see. Stop me out, baby. Stop me out. There we go. Stopped out. One trade, $500 down. Why is my P&O not showing? Did I move this? Bro, why is it so difficult?
This is just insane.
Yeah, I mean, it's going to take that low out and probably shoot back up, to be honest. And that is what it is, right? We can't do anything about it. Just glad I'm not on any funded accounts tonight. It's it's not a good night for trading. Why is this such a pain in the ass, dude? Just crazy. Yeah, I don't know. I there's nothing that I could say about this trade. This is a perfect, beautiful trade. We took it in discount to the upside. We have Devil's Mark above, right? No high has gotten taken on any of those time frames. No 4-hour high got taken. No, no 1 hour high, no 15-minute high. Everything is left. So, makes no sense. If we would have tagged into that 4-hour, bearish 4-hour, and not missed it by 2 points, and that's the thing too. Like, I feel like I hate to say it, but I feel like the market is just hunting ICT traders, dude. Like they have been doing shit like this where they know ICT traders will target, PD arrays. And I've been noticing lately that we miss major PD arrays by like a couple points, right? So that PD array right there got missed by two fucking points on NQ, $2. This thing reached 739.75 and this PD array starts at 741. You can't make this up. I mean, 2 points. So, stupid of me for wanting us to actually rebalance a PD array or tap into, mitigate a PD array. I would not think so. I think a strategy is built upon exactly that. So we just stepped into an hourly gap. So I guarantee we see some sort of buyer stepping in somewhere around here. Might give it one more stab since I'm on the eval, just trying to pass this funded, just trying to add another funded next to the fundeds. Wow, look at that wick right to VWAP, dude. It's pretty crazy. I'm gonna go ahead and participate here. I'm gonna buy 3 here. Tempting one more time. See if we can get a push off this hourly here. Don't love my entry, but when I saw this wick situation here, I just kind of got in. We do have -4, -4.5, which is a reversal range off of this, off the standard deviation here. We have the hourly gap. We are in discount of this leg of the Asia low, Asia high. We do have VWAP there. Lots of confluences saying that we should get bought up here. Now, will buyers step in is the real question, and we don't know. Last attempt here tonight for a trade. I kind of hate that I can't trade 5 cons on these accounts. Let's see if I can make up for that loss earlier. Wait.
I don't know.
Oh, shit. Hold on a second, dude. GC activated? Oh, shit, I'm in. Let's go. GC just got me in, dude.
Nice.
Let's see if this pays. Let's see if this makes up for all the bullshit I had to deal with. Looks like it's paying right now. Don't love that we're below VWAP, though. That looks a little weak. I hate saying VWAP because I'm not a VWAP trader, but lately I've just been looking at it. This is a nice trade, though, so far in GC. Up about 100 and... I was up about 130 there. Up about another 100 here. Maybe both of these combined can get me out of that last loss here. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. Just don't want sellers fucking stepping right in this thing again. Honestly, though, if this thing was to get bought up right away, talk about bottom ticking, dude. Talk about a bottom tick on gold. That is nuts. What an entry. What an entry here on gold. Nice. Gold is pumping. Oh shit, NQ's pumping too, dude. Let's go. I could probably aim for that devil's mark. I feel like that hourly is going to flip. GC up 110 here. rejecting that VWAP there, though. So if I close out of both trades, dude, then I hit my target for tonight. I mean, I'm back in profits for tonight. If I just close out right now, and then I can just go watch TV and relax, dude. What do you think about that? I wonder what I would look like with your haircut.
Would look interesting, for sure.
I wonder if I would look sexy, dude. Do you remember what my loss was on the last trade? I think it was like what, 500?
I do not remember now. Sorry.
Well, this trade is working out for me. That's for sure. Gotta watch this high, this 15-minute high here. Might sell one here, just this high here, and then go for that devil's mark. Oh, look at gold, bro. Dude, I fucking bottom ticked this entry, Matt.
Yeah.
Bro, what do you mean?
Look at it go. Good shit.
Look at Asia low. Look at my entry,
Beautiful.
dude.
Great entry.
That is gorgeous. Pumping, dude. Wow. Let's go, baby. What a trade. I bet people wish they were watching us now. They could be taking these trades and making that bread. Ooh, NQ up 600. Oh, yeah. Coming right to my target, it looks like. Selling one into this high here. I don't think that worked at all. Selling one into that high there. Okay, that didn't work either. What the fuck, dude? Okay. Selling one into this high here. Okay, we're out of one. Holding two for the devil's mark. Checking in on GC here. So GC looks great. I just don't want to see any of these gaps get inverse. So that was inverse to the upside. And I don't want to see us come back below that, essentially. Especially this one. So like these two here need to hold. We're going to go ahead and move a stop actually to this here. Moving our stop to below this gap. We should not trade below this. And Q is doing what I don't want to see here. Just hanging out above that high and not wanting to get my devil's mark. Okay, here it goes. We're pushing into that devil's mark here. Come on, flip that candle. Flip that candle just a little, just an itty bitty amount, you know? Look at the wick on that hourly. Jeesh. It's kind of wild. There we go. Getting filled. Ooh, got filled. Beautiful. All right. Now we can go watch it GC. Thank you, brother. That was the best trade of the night for me. And also, woo! Gold is pumping too, bro. Let's go. What a trade, dude. What a fucking fill here on gold. You can't make that entry up. That is a...
Beautiful entry.
That is an incredible entry. All I did was find a perfect location. Oh, Mark says, what is your target on GC? I'm thinking we can get up to those 15 seconds. What's 15S?
615s.
Oh, the 15s. Yeah. 100%, bro. I'm looking for us to break these highs 100% on gold. That's exactly why I took the trade. I mean, I framed this a while ago. Finally starting to get this trade. So I think my target is 617. That's that's both of these 4-hour highs. But honestly, at this point, I would actually be really happy with us taking Asia high. Like, I would be happy with just this. This is going to be like an $800, $900 trade. Are you in? Are you in this, Mark? Here's a new order block here to the upside now. We don't have a change date of delivery yet, so all we can really look at is these OBs. So we have that order block there. Should not trade below 607.5. We also have a gap here. So order block with a gap, pretty bullish. I will say that with GC patience paid, I mean, I placed this trade like so long ago, dude. It's been in here for over an hour. Damn, look at Mark. He's in 2 cons at 06. All right, Mark. Beautiful. I will say that I do beat you with the 05 entry. We have a 15-minute CISD? No way, let's check. Yeah, we do have a 15-minute CISD. But honestly, even though we have that, I don't really care too much about that. I think we still push higher because number one, there's no bearish, there's no sibbies in here, right, on the way down. So there's not really any trapped, there's not sellers. There's not a big amount of sellers here. Number one. Number two, this entry is based on a 4-hour and a 1-hour all stacked together. So personally, I think the odds are in our favor here. We are battling this 4-hour BPR, and I saw this earlier, but I don't really care too much about it either because we've already kind of mitigated it before. So those kind of don't even exist to me. I do like this entry though. It's really nice. That 1 hour there, that 15-minute as well was there, right? We had that 15-minute gap as well. And I'm trying to remember, I drew it out, I think, on the flashbang here. The CISD from 10 p.m. yesterday is bullish. Let's see. Is it on the 15-minute? Yeah, you're talking. Oh, I see what you're saying, bro. You're talking about this. Yeah, this is bullish, 100%. Is this what you got in on? The 606? Yeah, that's bullish. Yep. I mean, that's what got me in this trade, right? Look, it wasn't the change date of delivery, but obviously I knew that it was there. It was this. It was this this BPR, right? In my Discord, I call it the TMade, the TMade, basically the TMade model, because I look for balanced price ranges, right? I look for liquidity to get taken, which we have here. So really nice entry here. And I love that this candle just opened. This new candle just opened and is heading lower first, right? Because that means we're going to have an open, low, high close most likely on this candle here on the 15-minute. So that's nice. I really like this candle here. We should not trade below 50% of this wick. So my stop actually needs to get moved lower. We really should not trade below 07s. on this move here. But yeah, man, I really want to see us just take some of this liquidity. I mean, there's no way that, I mean, gold does that. I mean, look at gold, dude. That did it here. I mean, obviously this took all this. But the fact that these two candles didn't take this liquidity here, and there's 3 relative equal highs there, this is just way too smooth edges. We're gonna have to take that. I'm going to go ahead and put my stop at 14 in case we do one of these again where we come up and don't fully take the range. There's also -4, -4.5 though on the 15-minute, which is the only thing I don't love because we are seeing price kind of turn over here, right? So we just got to hope that the buyers are strong enough to really send us back up. But I'm chilling. I'm in a really good place. I got in really nicely, so I'm chilling. How long you been trading for, Mark? We're going to make this the OB now because the last line of defense here is this one little OB. Let's go to the 3-minute here. Okay, so this is what I'm going to look at. I'm going to look for this gap here. It's a little bit cleaner. So that doesn't matter. This is going to be the line of defense here. So let's hope that this 3-minute here holds us. I wonder if we want to fill this imbalance here, this volume imbalance. I could totally see that kind of happen. A little VB fill. So Mark, how long have you been trading for? Since you know ICT pretty well, it sounds like. Why did my music sound like romance music right now? What is happening?
We got a bromance going.
I mean, I'm cool with that, dude. Yeah, we got our guy Mark here, dude, trading with us. I like it.
Yeah.
This is looking like a nice trade on gold here. Wish I would have had 3 cons in. I'd be up 1,200 here. Look at that
I wish
push.
I got in earlier with you.
Oh, yeah.
I wish I traded that exact trade.
Only tonight.
Only.
Yeah, sometimes you got to have patience when the markets are just not giving you what you want. That's what I was saying. Like, maybe GC has that better opportunity. And I only liked it if we tapped into this 15-minute and 1 hour, and that's exactly what I waited for, and was able to get a really, I mean, dude, I wouldn't be in this trade by like, if I would have had an entry Jesus. A 0.1, dude, is what got me into this trade. That is fucking mental. That is actually kind of mental. I mean, when we talk about sniper entry, this is a sniper entry. Here we go, baby. Let's go for those 15s so me and Mark can get paid. So what I think happened was this original push was probably the midpoint. Yep. Look at that. 50% exactly. The bodies could barely get above. The sellers sold us back into discount. Buyers said nope, nope, and pushed us right back into premium. And now we're heading for our TP here. Up 590 on this trade. Really wish I would have 3 cons on here, Matt. It'd be an $1,800 trade right now.
So I wish I traded this, like I said.
Well, now that we're going to be doing a little bit more these night sessions, we'll be looking at GC a lot more because I think it's a little bit easier to trade, and it's not easier, but it usually has a little more volume.
Sure it is.
I mean, look at it. It's actually moving, Matt.
Yeah.
This reminds me of NQ like the last 2 days. Is Mark in here, dude? Is he about to get this? We about to get this TP, Mark? I don't want to see us trade back down. That's the one thing I do not want to see now. Buyers really need to fucking show some strength inside of that discount, inside of that premium range. Again, our new OB on this 3-minute here is going to be there. Little M3. Little M3. We're trading BMWs here, dude. It's going to be a really nice trade if it hits, man. This will be beautiful for our first live stream together. And also, I made my money back already from that first loss on NQ. And it was pretty much the same principle. It was... Oh my God. What is this doing here, dude? Matt, why did I take it off at 735? We're now at 741.
Yeah.
It's pretty much another $600 on the table here. Right into my TMade H4 here. I kind of want to short this, dude. It's just good risk to reward here. I don't know if it's going to work out because we are pretty fucking bullish after pushing into discount down there and tapping a 1-hour gap. We already had the reaction. Look at that. We tapped the fucking entry of the 4-hour and we sold right back down to 737. So I don't think I'm going to try it anymore after that reaction there. That was a bearish reaction and we got bought right back up. So Devil's Mark is gone. I knew that candle would flip. It wanted to take the low, which is super annoying and frustrating that it wanted that low. But it was fine because that low was the hourly gap that I was able to then take a trade back up into this with, which was pretty great. Kind of upset I targeted Devil's Mark and not the highs here, but what can you do? GC looks like it's fucking just taking off here to the upside. Back up 540 on this trade. At this point, I could trail to there. Then I think that's a $300 in profit. What's crazy about this trade is I took 0 drawdown on this trade. 0 drawdown. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do it. Dude, have you been doing your price notes today, by the way?
No.
I think that's why. I think that's the problem.
Yeah, probably.
We know those price notes, man. What the fuck? Why is the text not black? Oh, okay. Here you go. Perfect. Little range EQ that we're holding above nicely. We have a, I mean, not really a change in state yet on this 1 minute, but we get a closure above 610s, and I'll really love this trade. I can get rid of this thing. I don't need that anymore. Dude, what a freaking trade, bro. I mean, you can't make this up. 0 drawdown. I just posted in the Discord, man. I was like, guys, this is what I call a sniper entry. Probably one of my best entries in a while. No inversion. None of that needed. Just a good old TMade M15 here. And we got a ripperoo to the upside here.
I'm gonna cold on the stream for myself, bud.
Well, I appreciate you, bro. Thank you for hanging out with me, man.
Anytime. I will. You can stay on the stream.
Yeah, I'm gonna finish out this trade and then I'm gonna head out. Let me go ahead and kick you out of here.
Hope it goes good, brother. I'll talk to you later.
All right, man. Peace. Let's go ahead and change this over to looks like it works to me there. Looks pretty good. Move this guy down here. We're chilling, guys. There we go. Perfect. See if my boy Ness is on the live fundeds here for top 5 live funded P&Ls. He's not. He was in there last week, though. What a boss. All right, so is this does anyone use Threads, dude? Is Threads a thing? They kind of updated it. It's actually a little nicer. It looks more like X now. It's kind of nice. This thing better not come and take me out, dude. The stop really should be below this because we might want to rebalance into this volume imbalance, but I don't really want to see price trade below this. Let me see something here. We did tap into that. Is this 0.7? All right, so we should bounce here inside of this optimal trade entry of 786.088 or 0.88, which is the ICT optimal trade entry. We don't want to see us trading below this on the fibs here. I mean, technically, I could take my stop back to break even because I really believe in the draw being up here. But I also kind of been streaming for a while and want this to, don't want to be on forever. I don't love this thing pulling back though. How crazy is this, guys? So this is my friend Big. Shit, where'd it go? And he's posting his trade as well. He's in at 36.06. Look how funny great minds think alike, huh? I posted, this is probably one of my most epic sniper entries because I literally, you know, bottom ticked this thing. And he got in pretty close to it too. Look at that. Wild. Love to see it. I almost feel like they're going to want to take this low first before we see higher prices. I kind of feel like they're going to try to do that. And I would be okay with it. Like, I would be okay with it. Like, this has no lower wick here, so if they do flip this candle down, I'm okay with us taking this low and just automatically kind of doing this. I'd be okay with this scenario if they do this. And I love how people talk about the markets like they, right? Like, who the fuck is they? Well, market makers or whatever. It's kind of funny, actually. Hey, nice candle pump here. It's a good push to the upside. See if we can get a break above these highs here. So I think if we take these highs here, I'm going to probably go and move my stop to this low here, because I don't think we should be trading back down into that. So we'll see what happens here. There we go. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Come on. Come on. Let's go. What a trade. So high got taken. We're moving our stop now to this low here. Let's get rid of that fib. We don't need that anymore. This high is now taken. And we're looking for our draw on liquidity, guys, which is the Asia high here. Mark, you still here? Are you up? You still here, bro? Let's hit TP here. Come on. Let's get that push. We have no lower wick on any of these candles here. It's the only thing that... oh, hey. 5 minute looks good. 15 minute looks good. So the 1 minute doesn't have that lower wick here, but that's fine. For some reason, the 3 minute, there are two non-wicked candles there. Non-lower wick candles. Okay, so now, a little funky here, but Don't want to trade below 50% of this before we take that high. Can we please hit TP already? I got things I got to do, guys. It's getting late here. I've been streaming for over 2 hours. No, longer than that. I think we got on at 8:30. So it's been a long time. I'm gonna try to work on my lighting tomorrow. See if I can get some lights for the back and set up the whole space properly. I'm gonna start doing more YouTube streams. I really like the YouTube streams. Pretty good art. I'm an artist, guys. It's pretty good art. I'm not gonna lie. It's pretty good. If only we can just get to TP so I can be out of the stream. New 15-minute candle? Can it be what does it? Maybe we sweep this low here. Then we get a push higher. How long is this trade? This is like a 40-minute trade, guys. Almost an hour. All right, there's that low taken. See if we can get a push right back up now. I'm going to move my stop. We really should not trade back below 50% of this range. I feel like this is my range equilibrium. This is 50% of the range currently. Don't really want sellers to push this back down in there. I feel like we're going to put it here for now. Just wait it out. Here we go. Finally happening. Come on. Let's finish this out here. Little 800 in profit. Okay, this is the longest trade ever. Come on, guys. Get me out of this trade. Here we go. Come on. Been waiting for this for a long time. Honestly, one of the best entries. Find me somebody else who bought them. I probably got the best entry on this trade out of anybody in the world right now. Unless somebody entered at exactly 605. That's the only way they beat me. 605.1 is where I'm at. You can't beat me. I can't be beating this trade. All right. Getting ready to finish this. I mean, the fact that it just doesn't want to take me out already is crazy, dude. Stop edging my TP, bro. Stop edging the TP. Let's see what we look like here. Oof, we took 50-minute high. Don't like that. But we didn't take any of the hourly highs. Or the 4-hour high. So this looks prime for that push. Let's get that 4-hour. Come on. Stop fucking around here with this 15-minute. 30-second chart. We have no 30-second gaps on that 15 minutes, so we should be okay here. This would be hell if this pushes back on us right now. This looks too good, man. There's no... This is even a 5-minute here. This looks great. Let me see if I can get an updated P&L here on this thing. Did I not put the right password in? All right, we're good. Let's see if we can get this so it shows. Yeah, the live P&L here. No, it's not showing because I haven't closed the trade out yet. There we go. So once that this hits TP, it'll update here. It's not really a group; it's one account, but that'll update TP. That'll update the profits for tonight, Asia session. Just one account. If it ever hits the freaking TP here, it might not take this high. I mean, that would be crazy if we just equal high this on the 4 hour. Come on. Okay. 0.5 away here on the TP. Be crazy if it doesn't fill me. Am I being a dick for a tick now? Can you fill me? So I can go. I'd like to go. All right, the open at the high there. New 15-minute candle, that has to take this high. Come on. Let's take it. Damn it. Come on, hit the TP, baby. Don't do this to me. Don't you do this to me, no. All right, guys, I might just pull this off here. It's taking forever. We're done. We're out. Massive trade. Did I update the group? Yeah, there it is. Group updated. We're up $979.24 in today's session. Looks like it's going to probably take us out here, but I was tired of waiting, guys. What a beautiful trade. Zero drawdown and just, I mean, you can't make this up. So I know a few people came in and watched the trade happen live, so that's always great. I'm going to take off. I appreciate you guys. Appreciate everybody hanging out. And I'll do more YouTube streams, guys. I'll try to invite some friends in, like we did earlier today, and just good vibes only, right? So, all right. Well, take care, guys. Catch you on the next one. Peace.